They provided a complete roof restoration replacement, and I also had them get downspouts and gutter as well as soffit fascia. And I had them come out last fall to do a relatively small repair that I was struggling to get done, and they came out right away for me and did a nice job. So I decided that I would give them this opportunity to do the roof. What surprised me about Global was the crew that came, the diligence of their work. We're very pleased with the workmanship and the speed at which they were able to accomplish the goals with kind of crazy weather we had, and they put it together and got it done. Perfect color scheme, exactly what I was looking for. If anyone was to consider using Global, you can expect a very professional organization. Thank you, Global, for doing such a great job. I'm really happy with the outcome. The house looks great, just the way me and my wife imagined it should look.